Hi there and welcome to this unboxing video of the xRC-3363 Rescue Charger. The xRC-3363 Rescue Charger represents the second generation of Midtronics electronic vehicles and hybrid electronic vehicle battery service tools, enabling technicians to quickly, efficiently and safely jumpstart hybrid vehicle high voltage batteries. And in today's video we are going to check out which components come inside of the box. So without further ado, let's start opening. Always be careful opening the box. You do not want to damage anything. There we go. Once you have opened the box, you will find a smaller box. And in this box you will find all the extra components. But we'll get to that later. Let's start with the xRC. The dimensions of the xRC are as followed. It has a height of 9.37 inch, a width of 17.25 inch, a depth of 17.82 inch and a weight that is about 37.4 pounds. In the front you will find the power button and the 5-inch color touchscreen display, but you can also operate the tool with the responsive keypad right over here. In the back you will find all the outputs for all the cables that come with the tool, like the power cable over here, the power cord and the high voltage cable. You will also find the serial number in case you need to send the tool for service. Some additional features of the xRC are: it has a max voltage of 336 volts, a charging current of 3 amps, the ability for on-screen guided cable connections, a consistent user interface across xEV platforms, finger-safe connections for all cables, and Wi-Fi Bluetooth connectability. Now let's get to the smaller box with all the components. Also be careful opening this box. Again, we do not want to damage anything. Inside this box you will of course find a power cable to power the xRC. You will get a high voltage cable. And what I like about this cable is that it has a magnetic attachment over here that you can just attach it to a card, which we'll get to later. You will also find a green banana grounding cable and an adapter which you possibly need to connect specific cables. And it also comes with a USB stick with the instruction manuals in there. It comes in several languages and we advise you to go through it before operating the xRC. And now you might be asking, wait, is that it? How do I connect to a high voltage battery? Well, that is a good question. What I've shown you up until now is the basic kit. If you want to connect the xRC to a high voltage battery, you will need an additional package. This is an example of such a package. Packs for each model vary in connection and architecture. You will need to consult the OE procedures for your specific pack being serviced for the correct connections and procedure. This is what you can expect out of such a package. To be clear once again, these packages can differ depending on the vehicle model and battery pack you want to operate on. For increased mobility, you can order the xRC card. It is a compact mobile card for storage of the xRC when not in use and gives easy maneuverability to vehicles when needed. It also comes with cable management brackets to store all connection cables. This concludes the video of the xRC-3363 Rescue Charger. If you want to see a demonstration of how the tool operates, how to connect all of the cables, there is a separate video on our channel, which I will link right over here. If you want more information and/or have questions, visit our website at midtronics.com. We hope this video was useful. See you on the next one.
Midtronics. We will get you there.